Good morning students, I am Sanyukta here. My topic of the day is table of 2. Table of 2 is a new concept for you students, but don't worry, you will not find any difficulty to learn it right. I will make it easier for you. Okay? And firstly, student, what does number 2 reminds you of? It reminds us of 2 eyes. It reminds us of 2 ears, 1 and 2. It reminds us 2 arms, 1 and 2. And it reminds us 2 hands, 1 and 2. And it reminds of 2 legs. Is it clear, students? Did you remind these things? Okay, let's start table of 2. Okay, before starting the table, just I want to explain you the meaning of multiplication. So students, look at the sign. Look at the sign. This is a sign of multiplication. So what do you mean by multiplication? Multiplication means repeated addition. Repeated addition. Repeated addition means you have to add the number again and again. For example, 2 plus 2 plus 2. Is it clear? Okay, students. Before start the table, you write down the date, heading of the table, table of 2 and classwork. Okay, students. First of all, I will teach you the format of table of 2. And you have to write the 2 here 11 times. Because you have to start the table from 0. Okay. So whatever we are multiply with 0, the result will be a 0. Okay. So you have to start from the 0. So that's why you have to write the 11 times 2 here. Okay. Downwards. So write down the 2 11 times. Put the multiplication sign and numbers start from 0 to 10. Is it clear, students? Okay. And side by side, I will teach you how you will do it in repeated addition. It's easy for you to learn the table and write. But you consider this side as a rough work. Is it clear? Okay. So let's start. So let's start the table from 0. 2 zeros are 0. It means whatever you multiply with 0, it becomes 0. So 2 zeros are 0. And in repeated addition, no need to write because answer is 0. So second one is 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. It means you have to add 2 one time. Okay? Like this. One time. Only one time to 0. Is it clear? Okay. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. It means you have to add 2 here 2 times. Like this. 2 plus 2 means 2 times you have to add 2 here, put line 2 here and 2 here and count all together 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer is 4. Did you understand? Okay. How you will do it in repeated addition? Okay. 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. It means you have to add 2 3 times. 1 time, 2 times and 3 times. Okay, students? And you have to put the lines here for counting 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And count all together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And your answer is 6. Is it clear? Okay. 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are 8. It means you have to add 2 4 times. Like this. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time and 4 time. Similarly you put the line here. 1, 2 and count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And your answer is 8. It means 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 fives are 10. You have to add here 2 5 times. like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And put the lines 1, 2, 2, 2 and 2. And count all together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And your answer is 10. It means 2 5s are 10. Is it clear, students? Okay. 2 6s are 12. 2 6s are 12. And you have to add 2 6 times. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And you have to put the lines similarly and count it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And your answer is 12. 2 6s are 12 and 2 7s are 14. 1 4, 14. As you know, we have to add the 2 7 times. 1 time, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, students. Write down put the lines and count all together. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And your answer is 14. Is it clear, students? Okay. 2 8s are 16. What you will do here? Tell me. You have to add the 2 8 times. You have to add 2 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now you have to put the lines and count it all together and you will get your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And your answer is 16. Is it clear? Okay. 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. And you have to do the same procedure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And put the lines similarly and count it all together and you will get your answer. Is it clear, students? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And your answer is 18. And similarly, 2 10s are 20. 2 10s are 20. And count it same way. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And put the line similarly and count it all together and you will get your answer. Is it clear, students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Did you understand, students, how you will write the table? I hope you must be understood. Okay? And this work is this is a rough work. I just made you understand this table, how you will learn and write the table easily. That's why I applied this method to make you understand. And after finishing your table, you can remove it. Okay? You can remove it. Now, students, you have to repeat after me again. Okay? So, start it once more. 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 9s are 18 and 2 10s are 20. Did you understand, students? Okay, do the practice again and again until you are able to learn and write. Now I am giving you homework. Students, this is your homework. Okay, and I will give you some video also, the table of 2, and you learn it again and again until you are able to read and write. Okay, this is your homework, and I will meet you in my next video. Till then, be happy and God bless you.
Two ones are two. Two twos are four. Two threes are six. Two fours are eight. Two fives are 10. Two sixes are 12. Two sevens are 14. Two eights are 16. Two nines are 18. Two tens are 20.